Good morning, guys. I'm gonna do some vlogging today. Skeez got some JDM taillights he's gonna install on the wagon, and we wanted to check out this new El Griense drive-through burrito taco truck that they just built in Charter Wagon. Skeez's house. Here's the wagon with the USDM taillights. The only difference of the JDM ones is just this corner right here. It'll be all amber. Something subtle, but if you're a car guy, all that JDM detail is on point. I got like $6. Junior, I'm going on the ride. Oh yeah, you know the vibes. You know the vibes. You know the vibes.
I don't carry cash.
How much cash you got? A couple bucks?
I'm gonna give him a couple bucks.
Yeah.
I don't carry cash
Go fund me for Junior right now.
This is the only cash I got. So I'm gonna give it to this kid.
I'll drop $3 on it, whatever we're donating to.
Oh yeah, thanks, thank
Whatever.
you. Because adults carry plastic. Because all the money's in the plastic.
You know, if you don't want you to go hungry on your ride out, so there you go.
All the way out. I don't know what you can get with like a couple bucks out there. It's expensive.
A sandwich and a soda, maybe.
Go to McDonald's, you know? Go to the pier, go to In-N-Out.
You say go to pier.
You going to San Francisco?
Yeah, they're going to
shoot.
You're going to the pier.
Well, McDonald's is more expensive over there. Give him another $1.
This fool's gonna go eat rich. You know they charge for napkins about $6.
No, he got his squad out there to support him.
Yeah. They're broke as shit.
Broke squad.
Broke squad.
Yo, yeah, that's what Junior be doing. We're gonna be working on the car today, and wait for my brother to wake up and shower so we can go eat. But then check out his taillights though.
Taillights.
All amber corners.
They are off I don't know, it could be like a wagon RTI, a Beagle wagon. I don't know, but they're Jap specs.
They're from Japan.
Well, they're from Japan, but I got them from one of the homies. Lives in Kansas. Name is German. Thank you. Shout out to that guy.
To the regular person, like, oh, it looks the same. But to car people, hey, these are different.
Very hard to find. They're not cheap.
Shout out to Off 8th Street as well. guys enjoyed that quick install video of the JDM taillights. We're just wiping the car down, get something to eat, and see where the day takes us. Thanks. See y'all next time.